Okay, let's go ahead. Let them join. So my voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Fine. See, I think in the last class we finished your classification part with respect to your energy and power, right? So there is one more last classification that is just a definition wise. That is nothing but your deterministic signal as well as random signal. So let me just tell out that definition. It may be asked only for 2 marks. So then we can move on with your the last part of this model number one. So we just make a note of the heading as deterministic and random signal. So you know classification of signal we enter with CT and DT. So in that we made subdivision of 4 categories: odd even, periodic, non-periodic, energy and power, and last one was your classification named as deterministic and random signal. Okay. So here, if we go with respect to this topic or this classification, so they will ask, as I said, only for definition wise. So if they ask you to define a deterministic signal, so you can state like this: any signal is said to be deterministic signal which is having an option or which can completely represent by mathematical equation at any time. I'll repeat, any signal is said to be deterministic if a signal can be completely represented by mathematical equation at any time. For example, if you take cosine wave or sine wave, x of t is equal to cos t, x of t is equal to sin t. So similarly with respect to discrete, so instead of omega t, you will write 2 pi f n, correct? So the function wherever you represent cos 2 pi f n, sin 2 pi f n, so wherever you come to picture a mathematical equation for any time interval, they are called as deterministic signal. So just make one sentence and write examples like sine wave, cosine wave, triangle wave, exponential wave, etc. So wherever you take any signal that is involving a mathematical expression. Okay. Then what is the meaning of random signal? See, name itself tells random. So whatever definition you wrote for deterministic, you just write which cannot be represented by a mathematical equation. So any signal which cannot be represented by a mathematical equation is called as random equation. So example is which you can't generate using mathematical equation. Simple example is noise signal. Can you represent noise signal using any mathematical expression? Can you represent any noise signal using a mathematical expression? You can just see a disturbance. Random means some kind of disturbance. If I say noise signal, it can be from anything. It can be from any electronic components which generates extra noise, so which we don't have authority to represent in a mathematical form. So I hope everyone got the difference between your random as well as deterministic signal.
Yes, sir.
So it's just a definition, guys. There is nothing problem on this or any derivation on this. So it is carrying for 2 marks for you. Okay. So if they ask to define, just define with this one example that will conclude your deterministic and random and as well as the classification of signal. So shall I move on with the next part? So we'll move on with the next major part. That is, we are left out with the last category, that is your staircase waveform, how to sketch and how to analyze. So we'll go with that topic that will cover you first module. And I hope everyone got when is your first internal? When is your first internal? Do you got information or not?
Yes, 7:22.
Yeah, so next Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So from signal system, we are keeping only one module here because hardly I may get 1 or 2 class next week. So because from next week onwards, the timetable is the same like earlier. So I will post you. So I think before lockdown we had one timetable, right? So which was shared in the group. So let me share later once more. So we are going to follow same timetable from next Monday onwards. So I think for B section, guys, madam will engage the class. So we'll be handling only A section. Okay. So we'll deal with that. So only one change is with respect to your internals. So there is no quiz this time for 10 marks what you used to write earlier. Do you remember? You used to write quiz for 10 marks and the remaining 20 marks descriptive. Total will become 30 marks. So this time complete descriptive question paper will be given for 30 marks. So first question, second question will be having option. Similarly, third question, fourth question will be having option. So you can answer any one. So each question carries 15 marks. Am I clear till here? So doubts, any doubts regarding syllabus, guys? So first module completely, because this is the biggest chapter among all the 5 modules. So we thought to keep only one module for the first internal. So next week we'll try to have some revision class. So if you have any doubt with any type of topic, we can go ahead. So actually I told morning class for control system. So since it is syllabus is done for the internals, so I told you take the revision as like a presentation. So will you people also do that? So complete module 1, you pick whichever topic you want. So inform me and you can proceed. I hope you remember last time we did. So we have 10 marks for this. So whether you want to explain through a presentation, it's left to you, or explain a concept on the sheets, whatever you've written. Is it okay? Everyone, am I clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, any of B section guys, ma'am will engage. So A section people, you just check out whichever topic you feel comfortable for giving presentation. See, I want you to do such a way that it should be preparation for internals also. So unless until you practice, you won't get any doubts. That is damn sure. So next, I think 45. So next Friday is your first internals of signal system. Correct na? Next Friday or Saturday? 45. Next Saturday, I think. Yeah, 45. No, next Saturday. So for that, let's prepare from this presentation only. So whichever topic you want, you pick it. So on that, how to do explanation, just define the topic and problems on that, 1 or 2 problems, so that the concept will be get revised also. It will be helpful for you also. It has to be done from everyone. So get prepared and send me which topic you are doing. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then let's move on with the last part of this model number 1. That is your staircase waveform analysis. So just check out the paint. Is it visible, guys? Paint is visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So just make a note of a question first, how the question will be asked. Then I will try to sketch the given signal. Right on. For the figure shown below, construct the waveform, and express, for the figure shown below, construct the waveform and express x of t in terms of g of t. Express x of t in terms of g of t. Say this is one type of question. So same question they can ask in other way also. For a continuous time signal x of t and g of t shown below, express x of t in terms of g of t. So the meaning is same. The sentence formation will be different. So second category, is it okay? NDCT signal x of t and g of t is shown below. express x of t in terms of g of t. That is one way of expressing the same question. And one more way is, so for the given staircase signal x of t and rectangular pulse g of t, obtain or express x of t in terms of g of t. See, I told all three possible questions what I can express. Only the last sentence what I told, express x of t in terms of g of t, is very, very important. Am I clear? Am I clear with all the three types of questions what I told to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's try to sketch the given signal. See, this is given. So whatever I'm writing, it is given the question. So just make a note, guys. So they are given your x of t as well as g of t. So pulse period duration is given here 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Actually, signal is starting from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, it is kept constant. Then again 1 to 2, increment with amplitude of 2. Then again 1 to 2, kept constant. Then again 2 to 3, amplitude of 3. Then again 2 to 3, it is kept constant. I hope is it visible what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
So then again amplitude is 4. Then 3 to 4 again kept constant. So it dips back at 4. So this is what the given signal, guys. So this is your x of t. This is x of t signal. Okay. So x-axis will be with respect to time. So for this corresponding rectangular pulse also given, that is g of t. So let me plot here. So pulse period is from -1 to +1. +1 to -1. See, analyze such type of problem. Whatever thing they are going to give, just stick on to the procedure what we're going to follow now. Okay. So here, this is the given question. So look at x of t. Is it like staircase? X of t, is it like staircase? Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is why I told the heading as, for the given x of t, staircase like signal and rectangular pulse of g of t. Is it like rectangular pulse g of t?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now the question is what here? You need to express x of t in terms of g of t. So they have given x of t for you, right? So how we got this? Using this g of t, you need to express. Have you got the question first of all?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now let's proceed and try to analyze. See, observe the signal x of t clearly. How many signals are one above the other? How many signals are one after the other? It's like a staircase, right?
Three
How many
signals, sir.
signals? Is it 3 or 4? So here,
3, sir.
this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Correct na yaar? See, look at here. I will just showcase you how it looks exactly, and then we will try to analyze how exactly to solve this problem. Okay. See, if you look at this question with respect to x of t, so actually it is looking like this. So this is x of t. Okay. So here I will just try to trace you. See, this is one signal, 0 to 4 with amplitude of 1. Sorry, na? Then again from 1 to, you can look at here, 1 to 4, right? 1 to 4, you have one more signal. Then again from 2 to 4, you have one more signal. And last 3 to 4, you have one more signal. Is it what it looked like? just compare what I wrote and what is given. Is it how it looks, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this inside part is not visible for you because that is where the sketching comes to picture. So that is what a staircase waveform they are given. And they're asking us to express this waveform using g of t, right? So let's try to analyze. So is this first concept okay? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now look at this g of t signal. It is having a duration from negative to plus, positive, negative to positive. So look at the given x of t. Any signal is towards negative side?
No, sir.
No. It means that we need to make some alteration to my g of t such that it should come towards positive. So that is my first point. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now you tell me what I should make to get this towards positive only.
G of t minus 1.
Very good. So I need to give a delay of 1 such that the given x of g of t will come towards my right hand side. That is called delay version. So I hope you're understanding till here. See, analyze the problem. If you mug up it, you can't do anything. So if you move the things, it look like this. So what is a interval, guys? What is duration now?
2, sir.
0 to
2, sir.
correct
Yeah.
na? So this is what my signal look like after giving 1 bit delay. So any doubts, anyone till here? Is it okay, guys? Still here?
Yes, sir.
Good. See, observe the things carefully now. From g of t, we got a clear picture that there is no signal exists towards negative side. Hence, we have moved everything towards positive side. So to get the things, it is starting from 0 only, correct na? So to make it, we have given 1 bit delay such a way that we started a signal like how it is given. Now, observe the things carefully. So we need to analyze part by part. So let's go like this. So let's take this as first part. That is this category what I'm talking, okay? And next is second one, and next is third one, and next is fourth one. Okay, so whenever you see any staircase problem like this, so this is 10 marks question, guys, so you should be very careful. So whenever you come across such kind of things, you make a partition like this. If you do part by part, then combining all the part will fetch you the answer. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So let's go with part number 1. So let me change the color. So look at the part number 1. That is the last category. So interval is from where to where, guys? For the first one, what I showed.
0 to 4.
Correct. But exactly.
0 to
Yeah, good. So exactly what we have with us is from -1 to +1. I'm talking with respect to original signal of g of t. So this is what the interval I have for original g of t. Agree? Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now I want this interval to change to new interval called. Is it okay? So what step I'm explaining, the same step repeats for next onwards. So analyze this carefully. If you have any doubt, you can. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed? Good. So now you calculate the things you make. So how to make analogy, I will teach you. Look at here. So let me change. If g of t is varying from -1 to +1, then what value of t I need to put here such a way that I should get my interval 0 to 4. Have you got this? Have you
Yes,
got
sir.
this analogy? What I'm telling? Is it okay? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
So now you need to find what is this t, then only I can proceed. Okay. See, whenever you come across such kind of things, So you remember on formula. So this is a limits. 0 to 4 is a limit now. So we have a formula where I am going to perform upper limit divided by lower limit. Upper limit divided by lower limit. So this is a generalized formula. Now we should know what is your upper limit and what is your lower limit. So upper limit is addition of this interval. Lower limit is subtraction of interval. Okay now? Is it okay what I'm teaching? So upper limit is 4 minus 0, 4 plus 0 addition, and lower limit is subtraction 4 minus 0. Any doubts anyone till you?
No, sir.
So we got answer as how much, guys?
One.
What's the answer? 1.
1.
So it means I need to give delay of t minus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So that we already calculated here. Is it okay, guys? So we got t minus 1. Any doubts anyone till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good. See, once I got the range of my t, then obviously this won't be there. We got a new range now. What is that new range? How to calculate the new range now? So we had minus 1 earlier. So now currently I got a new answer called plus 1. Similarly, 1 was there earlier. I got plus 1. So what is the answer, guys? It's from 0 to
2.
2.
Any doubts anyone till here? See what I am explaining, the same concept repeats. That's why I'm making you things understand clearly in the first step itself. So any doubts how I did upper limit minus lower limit, how I got 1 as answer? Once you got new time, then obviously this range won't be there, right? Agree? So range will from 0 to 2. You can see here. Is it what the things I proved just now?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
But exactly what you want, guys? Do you want the range of 0 to 2 or 0 to 4?
0 to 4.
0 to 4.
Then what
0 to
I
4.
should make is a question. See, if I take t minus 1, this concept is called as what? Time.
Delaying.
Good. The delaying is a part of time shifting. Correct now? So we have done time shifting concept done here. Now we got some interval as 0 to 2. But what exactly I want? 0 to 4.
0
What
to
can
4.
be done?
Time scaling.
Very good. So what we should do here? I should multiply
0.
by 2. Yes or no, yaar?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to multiply by 2, then only you'll get the interval as 0 to 4. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So what is
Yes,
your
sir.
new equation? What is your g of t minus 1 becomes? G of,
T minus 1 by 2.
I can write as t by 2 minus 1. Agree, Napa? Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Divide by 2, nothing but what? We learned some other concept. Do you remember? Time. Time. T minus 1 we told delay, that is a time shifting part. Similarly, t by 2 and 2 into t, what type of concept?
Scaling.
Very good. Time scaling. In that we went through two concepts called compression and expansion. So if I give t by 2, this belongs to which category? This belongs to which category? Time expansion. Correct and raw. You look at this signal g of t minus 1 with me, right? So if I do multiply by 2 for this, is it called as expansion or compression?
Expansion.
Is it what my first input, what they are given a signal? I hope everyone got a clear idea. What is the thing we are supposed to do here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So once you analyze this, so you got an answer that in order to get this type of x of t using g of t, I need to make use of an equation g of t by 2 minus 1. So this will express in terms of x of t. I hope you got an idea now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So now analogy I will keep here itself so that you will understand and tell me. So what is the thing we want to make? A new waveform which is having like this. Okay. So after this g of t minus 2 minus 1, you can make a new waveform. So let me write here, or let me take one more paint, guys. Let me say this so that it will be comparing will be easy for you. Okay. Is it okay? So we'll open that later. So what I told, after analyzing the first category, so we'll make a compartment where I can write all the waveform in one part. Okay. So first thing we got clearly. That is what is the first one we got? A signal. How it looks? I want my x1 of t. To get x of t, I'm trying to trace individual signals now. So that is what my first signal what we are traced just now. So what is the thing you got? X1 of t, you got answer as g of t by 2 minus 1. G of t by 2 minus 1. Okay na? So how it looks now? So from 0 to 4, we have a signal starting from 0 like this. I have a constant and dipping at 4 with amplitude of 1. So is it what my first answer?
Yes, sir.
Agree? Okay. So now let's analyze the same way what we did just now. So now I want answers from you. Right. So let's go with the second pattern. So I hope you remember the second pattern. So let me show you. So what was the second pattern, guys? So you just see the graph and tell me. So it is varying from where to where you are?
1 to 4, sir.
Good. 1 to 4. If you look at this diagram, 1 to 4. So same thing. Let me come back here. So I want to get a second pattern from 1 to 4. So same analogy, let's proceed. So what is the original thing we have with us? So we'll go with same analogy what I went through. So g of t is varying from
-1 to +1.
minus 1 to plus 1. Good. So now to get an interval for 1 to 2, sorry, 1 to 4, what should be my time? That is what the thing you should find. So this is a question mark. Yeah. So now analyze the thing what I taught you. Yes. What's the formula I told you?
Upper limit divided by lower limit.
Good. So upper limit means addition, lower limit means subtraction. So it is going to perform 4 plus 1. So don't do reverse operation, guys. You have to take the maximum, and otherwise you'll get negative answers here. So then 4 minus 3. So upper limit minus lower limit, you got the answer as how much? 5 by
3, sir.
3.
See, if anybody have doubts still here, you can ask, because from now onwards it will be like same procedure. So you should tell the answers for me. Is it okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now you tell me what is your g will become now? G becomes t minus 5 by 3.
-5.
Okay. So once I change or once I shift my time, obviously the interval will also having a change. So how to find? I told to find that change, what you should do? -1 plus 5 by 3. Similarly to +1 minus 5 by 3 or plus 5 by 3. You just need to add. That's it, right? So you just need to add. What is the answer? What is this? -1 plus 5 by 3 is equals to?
2 by
Good.
2 by 3.
So 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 to
8
how
by
much is
3.
this? Good. 8 by 3. So we got a new range. So what is that new range? The signal, how it looks? Let me change the color and show you. See, I am proving second category. I got a signal like this, but the range is from 2 by 3 to 8 by 3. Is it what we want? Is it what we want, guys? What is the thing we want?
sir.
Yes, sir. You want 2
No,
by 3
sir.
to
We
8
should
by 3 range?
multiply by 3.
Only 3, See, what is the range I want? Look at here. I want 1 to 4. But exactly I got 2 by 3 to 8 by 3. So what can be made to this such a way that I should get 1 to 4?
Multiply 2 and multiply 3 and divide by 2.
Good, very good. So in general, I should multiply by 3 by 2. Correct? In general, I should multiply by. I hope you're understanding, right? Is it okay, guys? So from this, do we get 1 to 2? Oh, sorry, 1 to 4 as the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you change the range like this, then whatever things you have multiplied here, that should be multiplied to your time. So because of that, I'm going to get a new formula, that is 3t divided by 2 minus 5 by 3 is my second answer. I hope everyone got a clear idea how to solve this. Am I clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So you got how I got that new answer 3t by 2. So time t we got interval is 2 by 3 to 8 by 3. But that is what we don't want. We want 1 to 4. To get 1 to 4, we are multiplying and dividing by 3 by 2, right? If you do that, obviously I have to change my time. So what is my second output you got? So second output is from where to where, guys? So you can trace it here. So from where to where I should write now? From 1 to
4, sir.
good. So 1 to 4 is your second x2 of t. So you should write a signal because ultimate goal is to find my x of t. So anybody, any doubts still here, you can ask, because next onwards I'm not going to explain. You should tell me what is the answer. So is this first two steps are clear to everyone? So if you perform 3t by 2 minus 5 by 3, then you are going to get this second pattern what is given in the question. I hope you got some idea now how to solve such kind of problem.
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Okay, let me give time for you people now. So solve for remaining two more. So then I will understand whether you understood or not. Solve for x3 and x4. Solve for x3 and x4. So I want individual to be solved now. So I want you to tell the same way what we did. I will keep this as it is so that it will be a reference for you. So same way you solve for pattern number 3. See, unless until you dump on the paper, you won't understand anything. Solve it. Let me see. If you understood what I taught till now, you'll be able to solve this. So I want pattern number 3. So what is a pattern number 3 sequence, guys? The waveform pattern. So if you want, I'll view it once more. See here. 2 to
4.
good.
4.
So 2 to 4. So that is your starting point. Yeah. So right quiz, start the things how I taught you. So step number 3. So 2 to 4 is what you have to get. So analyze the same way and tell me what is my answer. So I want my GX3 now. So let me wait for your answers now. Yeah. X3. So till here, if anybody have doubt, how much, guys? Estapa? X of 3, how much you got?
G of t minus 3, sir.
Good. So G of
Sir.
t minus 3.
T minus.
Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand here, everyone? Is it okay? So it means I can plot a new graph from 2 to 4. From 2 to 4. So you just look at the things, whatever the G of t you add, is it delay by 3? Yes or no? So that is what
Yes, sir.
your third signal. Anybody want me to sketch this t minus 3? How you got? Or is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Good. So can you finish off the last one then?
G of t minus 7, sir.
G of t minus 7. If you give only g of t minus 7,
G of
is it going
2t
to
minus 7,
satisfy? How much?
T minus
G of 2t minus 7.
G of 2t minus 7. Good. So there is something to be known in that last part. So as your friend told, it is correct. G of 2t minus 7. So let's analyze that last one because we will be having doubt with that. So third category over, fourth category. Okay. So what is the interval, guys? It should be from
3 to 4.
good 3 to 4. So let's analyze the way we analyzed. So this is what I want. So everyone got g of t initially. Okay. So I hope you got these steps now. So same step if you follow, it will be helpful for you to solve any type of staircase waveform you are going to give in the exam. Okay. So just stick on to the procedure. So -1 to +1. So now I want this to be from 3 to 4. So what is upper limit minus lower limit? So you can see here it is 4 plus 3. So that is how you got 7. So I hope if anybody have doubts how we got 7. So this is how we got, guys. So 4 plus 3 and 4 minus 3. So it is clearly mentioned it is equal to 7. So by seeing this, your friend told it is t minus 7. See, I told don't stop here. If you do some alteration, it means there is some variation is going to happen. So after this, I told you, I want you to what? Analyze this with respect to my range also. So it is like -1 plus 7 to +1 plus 7. So what is the range now? What is the new range? Whatever t is going to change, so same way range is going to change. So this is from 6 to 8. So 6 to 8 means the waveform look like this.
Second waveform.
Pardon?
Sir,
Yeah.
in the second wave,
In the second, your voice is breaking here. Repeat. Just once, let me come.
sir, in the second waveform,
Yeah, Nutan.
we multiply 3 by 2, no, sir.
Yes.
So when we take it in t, it should be 2 by 3, no, sir. It should be the inverse.
So you
Because
take
what we multiply will be divided and what we divide will be multiplied.
So we're telling that t, what we
2 by
multiply,
3,
if we take 3 by 2, so I told it is 3t by 2, correct? Huh?
it should be 2t by 3, no, sir.
2t by 3. You're taking reciprocal, correct? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Correct. So it should be 2t by 3. So whatever you take, that should be reciprocal of that. Yeah. Good. Correct. Yeah. So you can change that to is it okay, Nutan? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you got what your friend asked? Yes. See, we have 3 by again, if you multiply is your t, so again it is going to become 9 by. We should take reciprocal 2 by 3 such a way that it should not alter my original signal. Correct, na yaar?
Yes, sir.
So that is why your friend is telling it should be 2 by 3, Saranta. Correct. Good, yeah. So it should be 2t by 3. Fine. Is it okay with this second step? 2t by 3, how you got? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now let's proceed. So after this, okay, let me delete this part. Just don't get confused. Yeah. So now look at here. So last step, what we're analyzing, we got 6 to 8. So this is how the waveform occurring for t minus 7. Is it what we want?
No, sir.
So
Divide
what
by
is the thing
2.
we want? So we want from 3 to 4, right? So it means I should do divide by how
2.
much? 2.
2, sir.
So if I do divide by 2 means what concept it is? Time?
Scaling.
Scaling ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು? You should be specific. Scaling means you should be
Expansion, sir.
expansion or compression?
Compression.
Compression, sir.
Compression, sir.
Correct na yaar? 6 to 8 is there. If I divide by 2, see, expansion means multiply by 2. Compression means divide by 2. That you remember in mind. Okay. So now if you do this, you're going to get 3 by 2. So that is why we going to get a new range called 2t minus 7. So this is how you're going to get 2t minus 7. I hope everyone clear with the last part.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now let's write that here. So 3 to 4 alappa. So 3 to 4 is like this. So you write this is your x4 of t. So now tell me whether after adding x1, x2, x3, x4, do you get your x of t? Add it. You can add it. You add yourself. So we'll just write to trace it left hand side. Add all the signal. That is how you're going to get x of t. So we'll just write here. So your x of t can be obtained by using your individual functions. That is x1 of t plus x3 of t. Or is there plus 4 of t also. So if you add all this signal, you are going to get your individual signal. So I hope everyone remember how to do addition, right? So let me write that waveform last one. So x of t, let's try to trace it. Yes, guys. So now, so in your negative side, nothing is there. So the maximum will be from 0 to 4. So we need to analyze whether we are going to prove that given question is matching with what analogy we made. That is what we're trying to make. Okay. Let's start at 0. See, signal is there at 0 at first signal. So with amplitude of 1. So can I retain that? Can I retain that? Any doubts,
Yes,
anyone?
sir.
So 0 to 1 signal is existing. So with amplitude of 1. Good. Next, 0 to 1. Here constant with amplitude 1. Here nothing is there, nothing is there, nothing is there. It means what? So till 0 to 1, the signal remains constant. I hope you're understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next, at 1, you have a signal here, right? At 1. So this is having amplitude of 1 here. Then first signal is also having amplitude of 1 with a constant. So it is like increasing and constant. So we should give preference for increasing. What is the amplitude? 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Good. That is why at 1, the signal has risen to 2. I hope everyone understanding. Addition of signal we already done, nothing new. Next, 1 to 2. So here 1 is there, here 1 is there. So here nothing is there. So it means signal retains its position at 1 to 2 with the same amplitude of 2. Am I clear? At to 2, do you have signal, guys? At to 2, do you have signal? Look at here. Is it there? This one?
Yes, sir.
So it should be constant till where 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it means the amplitude becomes
3.
3.
right. Then analyze 2 to 3. 1 constant, 1 constant, 1 constant. So 2 to 3, it remains at the same position with the same amplitude like this. So at 3,
Amplitude increases to 4.
so this is 3, right? This is 3, 4. I'm not written here. Okay, this is 3, 4. Again, amplitude becomes 4. How? It's 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sarinappa. Then 2 to 3, it is going to be kept constant. Then what is happening at 4, guys?
Decrease.
So signal is dipping towards 0. So dip back towards 0. So this is what the given signal. Is it what your x of t, guys?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you need to analyze any staircase waveform problem. So it will be for 10 marks. So you should be very careful while sketching. See, you need to show all these steps what I taught just now. So how to get step 1, how to get, say, don't write this answer directly. If you write this answer directly, so you won't get full marks. So you just mention the steps what we told aside. So step number 1 for this signal, we are going to get this x1. How? We approved that step. Similarly, second step, the third step. That will help you to get a complete marks for this problem. Is it okay, guys? Because few are there who will mug up these answers. By just seeing this waveform, they'll just mug up this answer and just write on the exam. That doesn't make sense. You need to analyze the thing what we just discussed and try to get the answer. Is it okay to everyone?
Yes.
So anybody, any doubts till here? Shall I give one problem for you now? Will you solve from the beginning till the end? Shall I? Is it okay? Shall we move on to next one, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me take a new one. I'm giving same question. In this g of t remains same, guys. So g of t is a rectangular pulse that remains same. So you can consider -1 to +1. So g of t remains same. So they are given x of t in other way. What you saw just now, it is reverse category. So now try to analyze the signal and try to plot it. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So signal is given like this. So amplitude of 4 to 1, dip for 3. So I'm giving reverse ramp what you wrote just now. Then 1 to 2, again dip, 2 to 3, again dip. At 4, it is going to rest, right? 2, 1, 0. So this is your x of t. So is it a reverse ramp? What we just solved? Everyone? Everyone, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, solve this. So let me wait for your answers. Finish up this problem. So try to analyze the problem clearly how we wrote. If anybody didn't got the previous problem, let me know, guys. So once anyone finish, inform me, guys. So we'll give you option for you to share the screen. So try to follow the steps what we just discussed. Don't be in a hurry to tell the answer or write the answer in the exam. I told you each step carries marks. So internals also try to write the steps clearly, everyone. So if you expect full marks, so you want to mention all the steps clearly. So once you finish, you can turn on your video and you can express the problem. Anyone has doubts? What problem you analyze? So if you finish this, that will be end of your first module. So till here is the syllabus for your first module. Complete first module. Get prepared properly. So if you have any doubt, just mark it. So we'll discuss next week. We'll keep as a revision session along with presentation as I told. So who are going to present whichever topic you want, just message me the topic and you can continue from next week onwards. And timetable is old timetable. So I'll share the timetable back to you in the group. Anyone finished, guys? Anyone finished? Bharat, Jayant, Nutan, Lavanya. I'm audible here.
Yes.
Anyone finished? So what is the first signal answer you got?
T by 2 minus 1, sir.
T by 2 minus 1. I mean you've taken the lower part as 1. Okay, fine. So you can take reverse way also, not an issue. Whichever way you convenient, you can go ahead with that. So ultimately any addition only, right? Okay, next.
Second will be 2t by 3 minus 1.
Good. 2t by 3 minus 1. Good. Next.
T minus 1, sir, third one.
Okay.
Fourth one will be 2t minus 1.
Very good. Correct. So everyone got the same answer. So whether you want to do like what we did x1, x2, x3, reverse way also you can do. You can do that 2t minus 1 as a first and t minus 1 second, 2t by 3 minus 1 as third, and last 2t t by 2 minus 1 as a fourth. If you do addition, will it get changed here?
No, sir.
So addition means it remains same only. So whether you take the signal from top to bottom or bottom to top, it's left to you. Ultimate goal is we need to get individual x of t in terms of g of t. I hope everyone finished. Anybody wants to be shown once? Yeah, Nutan, you just turn your video and you just project what you solved here. So let him make a note. Others have you got same answer what your friend told? Still doing?
Yes.
Okay. Have you got first answer correct? T by 2 minus 1. Jayant? Solved, yeah?
I should write the final waveform.
No, the final waveform leave. Individually you got?
Individually, I must write the last two, sir.
Okay, right. Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Is it solved, ma?
Last step, sir.
Okay. So I hope everyone got the procedure how to solve. Anybody have doubt how to get that answers? If anybody have, you can ask me so that we can trace it. Otherwise, you can make a note of answers as your friend told. So I gave the hint whether you want to trace from bottom to top to bottom, it's left to you. Since we are adding, that doesn't make any sense. It is going to be same answer. So g of t by 2 minus 1. So means you're going to plot t minus 1 first. For that, you're going to do expansion. Correct? So then 2t by 3 minus 1. Then t minus 1. Then last is 2t minus 1. So just make a note of the answers. Is it okay to everyone?
Second ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ sir.
ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ?
So second one, x2 of t.
Okay, fine. So let's go with that. So if you have doubt, you should ask like this. Good. So let's come back. So second one, ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ interval? So I think it is from, see this 4 signal is what is there, right? So this is first one. So if you want, you can put dotted line also like this. So we want this analogy from 0 to 3 now. So now 0 to 3 is what we want for the second trace. 0 to 3. Okay, fine. So what is the original I have taught you? So g of t is having a signal with respect to minus 1 to plus 1. So to get this 0 to 3, what is the strategy you have to follow? So upper limit minus lower limit you are supposed to do. So what is the answer? So it is question mark. Okay, na? So upper limit minus lower limit means what? Yeah. So it is 3 minus plus 0 divided by 3 minus 0. Remember 3 by 3 only. Is it 1? Is it 1? Okay, na? So you got a new answer, g of t minus 1. So once you got new of t minus 1, so then range is also going to vary. So what is the way to find the range I told you? So minus 1 plus this answer, whatever you're going to get here. So plus 1 to 1 plus 1. So it is having a range from 0 to 2. Sarinappa? So this is what we got. So it means the waveform is looking like this. So 0 to 2. So from where to where we should get exactly? From 0 to where we should get? Yes, I'm audible.
0.
So 0 to 3 is what we want, right? But actually we got from 0 to 2. Now you should tell me what I should do to make it as 0 to 3. Yes.
Multiply by 3 by 2. Sir.
Good. So if we multiply this by 3 by 2. So if we multiply this, you can see here 2 get cancelled. So we got the same range. Understood? So by taking here, what we should take? We should take reciprocal as we did that mistake previously. We rectified, right? So same way it is nothing but 2t by 3 minus 1. Artha idappa? Is it okay now? Someone has doubt, right? Is it okay? Is it fine? Good. So I hope everyone understood the way we have to solve such kind of staircase waveform. See, it is involving a concept of your time scaling, time shifting, everything. Is it okay? Shall we end the session then?